This video is going to show you how to solve a system of equations by graphing. The two equations in the system are written in standard form, which means it will be easiest to graph the lines after identifying their x and y intercepts. I will be going through that process fairly quickly, so please see the video called Graphing Lines Using Intercepts if you need a slower explanation of that process. This video doesn't focus on identifying x and y intercepts, it focuses on just graphing the lines and seeing where they intersect, because the intersection is the solution to this system of equations. To find the x and y intercepts of this first equation, I'm going to make a t-chart or a table with x and y, and to find the x-intercept I put 0 in for y, and to find the y-intercept I put 0 in for x. For the first row of my table, I'm going to put x plus 2 times 0 equals 8. 2 times 0 is 0, which leaves us with x equals 8. And I can put 8 in for the x value in the table. In the next row of my table, I can put 0 in for x, and then I have 2y equals 8. 0 plus 2y is 2y. That equals 8. I can divide both sides by 2, and y equals 4. Now I have two ordered pairs that I can graph. 8, 0, which is right here, and 0, 4, which is right here. Remember, this was our x-intercept, and this was our y-intercept. So it's quick and easy to plot those points if you think in terms of where is that 8 on the x-axis and where is that 4 on the y-axis. Now I can connect them with a line. I'm going to repeat this process for the next equation, x minus 2y equals negative 4. I'm going to make my chart, finding an ordered pair with 0 in for y for my x-intercept, and a 0 in for x when I want to find my y-intercept. If I put 0 in for y, x minus 2 times 0 equals negative 4. And I know that 2 times 0 is 0, so x equals negative 4. I can fill that in right here. And I can replace the 0 in for x when I use the same equation, or using the same equation. 0 minus 2y equals negative 4. Negative 2y equals negative 4. I can divide both sides by negative 2. Y equals 2. And I can fill that in my chart. I'm going to use that information as ordered pairs and graph that negative 4 on my x because it's the x-intercept, and that 2 on my y because it's the y-intercept, and I can connect them with a line. At this point, it's very tempting to consider yourself done, but the original directions said to solve the system. The solution to this system is where those lines cross, right there. I need to identify that point as an ordered pair. I can see that it is over 2 and up 3, making the solution or the final answer 2, 3 as an ordered pair. That is the solution to the system of equations.